In a sunlit lab, researchers interview Mina, a pianist whose synesthetic senses illuminate how emotion guides musical memory and lifelong practice. Across the coast, a marine biologist chats with a bottlenose dolphin trainer about fast echolocation and underwater problem-solving in challenging environments. A climber recounts conquering extreme heights, while a therapist explains the brain's fear circuitry and adrenaline tuning that empowers second choices. Interviews with an elderly violinist who compensates for tremor reveal neuroplasticity strategies that turn limitation into artistry through repetition. The finale ties these stories to neuroscience, showing how genetics, training, and environment sculpt extraordinary potential across species.